Okay, in this video we're going to be removing the Pawls and pull springs from the gear ring. The gear ring is this one, and it's the one with the serrated gear ring on the inner surface. Okay, if you place the ring down on the bench with that geared part down, it's going to make everything fairly easy to work on. Now, again, like the previous video, what we need to do is slide the pin out from underneath. Just slide it in half there. These are actually quite easy. Now what you'll notice is you can see part of the spring underneath the pull, because the pulls stick out quite a long way on this one, and you can literally just grab that with your forefinger and thumb. So if we place it down, we've got the pin halfway out already. Oh, we did have. Okay, and then just grab that with your fingers. Bugger. Okay, grab the pull and the spring with your forefinger and thumb, lift the pin out, and then lift the pull out. Okay, exactly the same on the other side. Try and make this one closer to the camera. Slide the pin halfway up, grip it with your finger, and take the pull and the end of the spring and lift the pin out, and then lift the pull out, and the spring is with it in position. Exactly the same spring as on the other pulls, but you'll notice these pulls are different shape. So we inspect the top, and again wear is indicated by shiny parts. Now this one is starting to wear, particularly on one corner, so I would probably replace that. And on the underside, again, you can probably see the shiny wear. Now to put them back in, it's a very easy job. Now you'll see that these pulls have got one end longer than the other. So if you hold it so that the longer edge is to the right, and what you want to do is pick up one of these springs. Oh, I've got to get this right. That's right, it's got to go on the top. So we're placing the pin, the spring rather, on top of the pull, so it forms that sort of shape. Can you see that? So the loop's going around the hole, and the angled part of the pin is on the underside. And if you grip that part with your forefinger and thumb, and then slide the pull into the slot, it can be a bit fiddly. There we go. And when the hole and the spring line up, you can drop in one of the pins, again as before, rounded end downwards. And push the pin in, and there we go. Same on the other side. Take the pull, lay the spring on top with the curved part of the spring underneath the front nose, and slide it into the slot. Oh. And when it's in, drop in the pin, and there you have it. So looking from the top, pawls are pointing to the right or pointing in a clockwise direction. And there we go, the pawls and the Pawls springs replaced in the gear ring.